Okay, moving on from the museum, which is over here. I didn't even get this section. We're on Furnace Creek Boulevard. And here's what this Furnace Creek Ranch. So, as an RV guest, you can go to the pool. They give you a card, so let's take a look at the pool. There's tennis courts and a pool. So, part of the museum over there. These are the tennis courts. These are the rooms. And those are the mountains. Let's take a look at the pool area. It's warm, spring fed. Those are some more rooms. The trailer spot was only, the RV spot, full hookups, was only $38 a night. If you don't want any hookups, you can get $18 a night. Very nice place. I didn't bring my key to get in, but it's the pool, shower room, and it's a warm spring fed pool, so it's very warm. It's not cold at all. It's February 26th. And there's the shuffleboard, little putting green. Shuffleboard. No, shuffleboard. And then tennis courts. And then this is the other area. So you can use the swimming pool if you're in the RV park. And these are the rooms, which look very nice. But when you have your RV, you're in your own bed. So stay tuned for more.